So hi guys, today in this video I want to tell you how to enable direct message. If you want to chat with your friend and send a video, so it can't because the privacy setting. Just like simply I send to my friend hi, so it will show not sent. This person can't reply to your message. Use your privacy setting to change your setting. Go to setting, who can send you direct message. Just simply take a screenshot of that, click on my profile and privacy setting and click on three dot. So scroll the video. After that you will saw the report problem. Just simply click on that. It will take some loading. So after the loading, the new interface will show on your screen. Just I'll scroll my screen. So you scroll video and click on direct message. When you click on direct message, also it will take loading. Just wait a moment and simply click on enable to direct message. Enable to direct message. So it will take loading. After loading, this interface will show on your screen. Just click on no. That will ask for you that your problem has been solved. So it did it. You just click on the no button. So it will take loading. After the loading, this interface shown on the screen. Just click on value button and before you take a screenshot of your problem, so you have to just click on that and upload your screenshot. So after the uploading your screenshot, they will ask for you some feedback, what kind of problem you have. So just click on tell us your feedback. Just for example, I write it I can't chat with my friends. I can't chat with my friends. So after that you have to just click on submit button. So TikTok will receive your problem, and they will solve in 1 day, 2 days. So it will take some time. If you like our video, so like and subscribe our channel for more video. If you want to, I will translate in Hindi and Urdu, so I'll did it. So like and subscribe our channel for more video. Thank you for watching.